Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is our second video on our series, how to DevOpsify an application. Okay, so we've seen in the last video how to write our Docker file and build our Docker image. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to use monitoring for this application. Okay, so let's say we want to get some information about the CPUs, about memory for this application. Okay, so we can easily set up Prometheus and Grafana so that we are able to with Grafana dashboard we are able to monitor and see the CPUs and memory for this application. Okay, so in this video we're gonna do that. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that. So we're gonna use Docker Compose to do that. So to set up our Prometheus, Grafana, node exporter, and yeah, so pretty much those four containers. Okay, let's create our Docker compose. So Docker compose dot YAML. Okay, so in our Docker compose dot YAML, we're gonna have like I said, Grafana. We're gonna have Prometheus. We're gonna have Node Exporter. We're gonna have also our application that we just built. You know, all that in one Docker Compose file. Okay. Okay. I have a Docker Compose file here, so I'm just gonna paste it so that we save time, and I will explain what we have. Okay, so these are our services that we have. So for this Docker file, Docker Compose file. So our version is 3 dot 9, and the services it's first of all our Docker image from the Docker file here. So, and the second would be our cAdvisor. So cAdvisor and Node Exporter. So it's more like it collects metrics, the containers and hosts, and our our third or fourth service would be Prometheus. So which we scrap and store those metrics. Okay, and this is Grafana. So Grafana is pretty much is gonna give us uh, um, a visualization, of those metrics in a nice dashboard. Dashboard. Okay, so this is what we have in this Docker Compose. All right. Um, Now the next thing we're gonna do is to create our Prometheus um, dot YAML file. Okay, and I have the file here. So let me just explain to you. So this is pretty much for the configuration for our Prometheus and also our node exporter. Okay, so the scrap interval time is going to be at 15 seconds. The configuration, so this is the configuration job name, and the target is going to be on this port. So Prometheus 9090. Okay, and this is actually what we're going to put in our Grafana. so that we are able to build our dashboard. Okay, and we also have our cAdvisor and also our node exporter. So we need this file here, and after that, so let's go ahead and build and get this thing going. Okay. All right, Docker compose app. That's it. Okay, it's already allocated. You know what? Docker. Okay. Docker compose down. Docker PS. All right. So this is already running. You know what? Let's stop it, and we just use Docker compose for it. Okay. So let's do Docker stop. Okay. All right, now let's do Docker compose. All right, good. So now let's see if we are able to access our Docker containers. Okay. Okay. So let's go. Let's start with Prometheus 9090 local. So localhost 9090. All right. Good. Let's see target. All right. Good. Node exporter and then our cAdvisor. Everything is working beautifully. So let's see our Grafana localhost 3000. All right, good. It's working. Let's use the default so the default login is admin for the password and admin for so, and then now it prompt, do you want to change a new password? So we're just going to put skip. That's fine for now. So we have our Grafana working. Okay. Localhost. All right. So this is our node exporter. So it's also working. And what else? Okay, this is already working. We know that. Okay, this. Localhost. All right. So I will see advisor. Okay. So and this is how we set up our our containers using Docker Compose. Okay, so yeah, I will see you in the next video so that we can troubleshoot. We can dive a little bit more in details in Grafana and how to see everything in a nice dashboard. Okay, thank you for watching. So see you at the next video.